Welcome back, my friends. Well, after a sun-filled day, we have more snow showers in the forecast for late tonight. Advisories are up basically Highway 8 to the south right now. These could be expanded to the north and west later on tonight as the system develops to our north and west. But all of us are pretty much in store for a good 3 to 5 inch snowfall beginning late tonight into mid portions of tomorrow. And here's the precursor to that snow. This is WA, or warm air advection, and basically the air is kind of mixing up over here. Before the bulk of the system comes our way, the full energy of this is still way back here over Canada. It's going to come down our direction tonight, kind of kick up a few snow showers, and that's going to accumulate overnight tonight into tomorrow. Your commute in the morning is going to be a little bit slippery once again. And here's that swath of, say, 3 to 5 inches of snow is going to develop tonight into tomorrow. Where this exactly sets up is still a bit of a mystery. That could slide to the west a little bit or even to the south, but generally expect a 2 to 4 inch snowfall plus for much of northern Wisconsin beginning late tonight, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning through much of tomorrow morning, ending around noonish tomorrow as flurries tomorrow night. So here it comes, but here's the cool part. The winds have gone down to 0. This snow is going to fall straight down, so you can catch it with your tongue if you want to, with no wind at all this evening, and also really no wind tomorrow as well. Here we go, the forecast, though. Look at this. You see, we have one system just off to our west right now. That's going to slide across Wisconsin this evening. The system that came through on Monday, it's already over here on the East Coast, all wrapped up by that part. But here we go. We have more coming our direction. So here's System 1 for tonight into tomorrow. And then System 2 is going to arrive over the weekend. We're talking late Friday night into Saturday with this system. It looks almost as strong as a system coming through tonight. So we could see another round of a couple inches of snow. And then there's no end in sight to these storms as they're going to develop over here out toward Hawaii. Yeah, here's Hawaii right here. It's called the Pineapple Express, a very La Nina-like pattern. Storm track up toward Alaska, down over the Great Lakes, and we stay wet and snowy across our neck of the woods. Here's Futurecast tonight, 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, the news is over. We have snow just off to our west, about to come into central Wisconsin. When it does, it'll stay with us for a while. Here's tomorrow morning, 6:30, still snowing, possibly moderate at times tomorrow morning. It'll stay with us through about noonish tomorrow. Here we go, 1:30, still some light flurries around. The bulk will still be moved off to the east, but then behind it, winds are going to shift out of the northwest again. And once again, we're talking about, you know it, lake effect snow kicking in late tomorrow night into portions of the day on Wednesday and Thursday too. So here we go, your forecast then for tonight. Light snow developing after midnight. We're talking 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Look for a low temperature in your 7 for tomorrow. Snow, a good 2 to 4 inches appears likely. A few of you could see maybe 5 inches from this with a high temperature near 17. Looking ahead, your 7-day forecast brought to you by Northwest Furniture shows a lot of snow in the forecast. Snow back in the forecast late Friday night into Saturday. A break Sunday. More snow Monday into Tuesday with temperatures below freezing. Lane? Welcome back, my friends. Well, it has snowed 19 of the last 21 hours here in Rhinelander, and this is what that looks like outside today. Lots of difficult travel conditions, as you know, but the snow is winding down, but not after it did this. Here are some reports. Harshaw, 9 inches for you. Woodruff, 7 inches. Here at the station, 6.1. So a very healthy, overachieving snowfall today. We'll get a break tonight into tomorrow before a little bit of light snow arrives for us later tomorrow night. But the advisories are dropping like flies from west to east across the area now. Difficult travel out there still tonight, but these will expire at 6 o'clock, and so we're in pretty good shape for tomorrow with just light snow arriving for us late tomorrow night. Current radar suggests the trend is a good one for us as the snow departs off to the east. See you later. Right behind it, still cloudy skies and a couple light snow flurries up in here, but nothing heavy. We could see maybe a dusting from this tonight into tomorrow morning. Other than that, we're in pretty good shape for this evening. But temperatures are a little bit chilly. We're at 17 in Rhinelander, 19 in Wausau, 18 Ironwood, 20 for Duluth. We'll have low temperatures down near 7 or 8 degrees tonight with that fresh snowpack in place, and highs are going to be a little bit cooler tomorrow. 19 degrees for a forecast high temperature tomorrow, 16 for Friday, 21 Saturday. Oh, look at this, 31. A heat wave for Monday, but then we're right back down next week again with highs probably by this time next week in the single digits once again. All right, here's the big picture, and here's our storm system across northern Illinois right now, producing all the snow across Wisconsin. This was a statewide snow, by the way. We got the most of it, but from our area down toward Green Bay, but most of the state got a little bit of snow today. I'll zoom in and show you where we're at. We got lots of cloud cover in here now. This is going to head toward Cleveland tonight and then back up the East Coast as the previous one did. Behind that, though, this little system right there is going to come in for us later tomorrow night, shift our winds out of the northwest, pick up some lake effect snow, and maybe produce a dusting to maybe a ½ inch of snow across our neck of the woods system-wide. But then the bigger system is going to be this one here, coming up toward Alaska. This has eyes on us over the weekend. It looks healthy, not as strong as one that came through today, but it could bring us some more snow over the weekend. Futurecast for tonight, those shows, partly cloudy skies, but lake effect snow shower kicking in the UP. Those could be heavy toward morning, but most of us will see just mostly cloudy skies throughout the day tomorrow into tomorrow night. Here's 9:30 in the morning. Throughout the day tomorrow, increasing clouds. Still lake effect snow to the north before our next system snow comes in here over the weekend, but we're in for a couple of cloudy days first with lake effect snow to the north. But here's your forecast, though, for tonight. Mostly cloudy skies, scattered snow flurries, low temperatures near 6. For tomorrow, not a bad day and no snow really. Mostly cloudy skies, a few flurries up there with a high temperature near 19. Looking ahead, your 7-day forecast brought by Northwoods Furniture shows the story. We're still in this very active storm track with snow over the weekend, then most likely snow again next week, Tuesday into Wednesday, with high temperatures back below average. Lane? Welcome back, my friends. You and I have some light snow to get through once again tonight. So here we are. This is the 4th or 5th system in a row, a quick-moving clipper system, but it wants to go to our south this time. The trajectory here takes it across western Wisconsin, southern Wisconsin as well. But we will get some light snow showers out of this tonight, possibly an inch from, say, Wausau north, maybe a little more than that from Wausau south tonight into tomorrow morning. But again, we've certainly seen heavier snowfalls than this, but we have more snow on the way. But here's been the pattern this week. As you know, we've been in the very cold air across the Great Lakes, warm air back off to our west, but look, this has been good for us because now we have snow on the ground, 9 inches in Rhinelander, 3 in Wausau, 8 Marquette, 5 in Duluth, so a very healthy snowpack in place right now. But the pattern is going to change. Here's next week's pattern. So below average temperatures retreat to the north and west, above average to the south and east. We're right in the middle, but look right through here. This is where storms like to develop, right through there, and that's what's going to happen next week for us. And these are the ones that bring the heavy, wet snow across the area. So again, we're talking next week, Wednesday into Thursday. We could see a big storm across the Midwest, but keep in mind, we're getting close to Christmas now, too, meaning travel could be kind of messy as we get into later portions of next week. Out there right now, though, just this clipper system across the Dakotas, moving towards central and southern Wisconsin this evening. Behind it, not much going on, but there will be some light snow showers throughout the day tomorrow. We could see another inch of light snow throughout the day tomorrow before the whole system kind of pulls off to our east, and we're in for a pretty good day on Sunday before some more snow arrives for us late Monday night. But look at these temperatures. There's a little pocket of partly cloudy skies across the Northwoods right now, allowing all that daytime heat to escape, and now we're getting kind of chilly with 5 degrees in Rhinelander, and the trend is a cool one for right now. For tomorrow, forecast high at 21, but look, 28 for Sunday, 30 for Monday, 29 for Tuesday, but next week, all signs now pointing to highs next weekend back in the single digits once again. But here's your forecast for tonight. Scattered light snow showers and a few flurries out there. Look for a low temperature near 4. A couple of us will kind of reach for 0, especially in our northern counties. The light snow should accumulate maybe a ½ inch to an inch across much of the area by tomorrow morning. For tomorrow, here we go, mostly cloudy skies. Light snow will continue through about noon before it kind of ends its flurries through the afternoon. Look for a southeast breeze around 5. Again, we're talking another ½ inch to an inch across much of the area. Looking ahead, your 7-day forecast brought to you by Northwoods Furniture shows a story here. We are in a trend that brings us lots of snow to central northern Wisconsin. There's that snow for tomorrow, ending as lake effect snow for Sunday into Monday. Our next system then arrives late Monday night into Tuesday morning. We could see an inch of snow then. The bigger system, though, is going to arrive next Tuesday night into Wednesday, linger into Thursday. That's the one that could bring a significant snow to somebody across the Midwest. Then we clear out, though, Friday into Saturday, but temperatures are going to drop next week. By the weekend, we could have high temperatures back in the single digits.